some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please. What's going on, my people? Lee Mims here, Lee Mims Productions on Queen of Trades channel. I want to say happy holidays to you and everyone out there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if I didn't say that. Can't say that too many times. Matter of fact, just go ahead and like right now and subscribe. Smash that bell, as my son would say. We're making bangers here and there, I believe is what he says. This is entitled, What Am I Thankful For? I was tagged by Queen of Trades, and it was originally created by Locheadbosslady. So go check her out. Stick around so you can hear what I'm thankful for. Number one, this is not in any particular order. I'm happy to be alive. A lot of people say that. If you check out one of my other videos, just one of the things that's happened since last year was I had 3 blood clots. That's right, 3. 1 in my leg, left leg, and I had 2 in my chest. They said if it would have been any change, it could have went south. Basically not here making any type of content. Kids don't have a dad. Wife is a widow. Doggy is looking for me to come home, and I would never come home again. So I'm totally thankful. That's just one instance since last year. I've had a couple life-threatening episodes come there, but that's just the one that I'm willing to talk about. So make sure you get yourself checked out. That's in another video. Men especially, because we won't take care of ourselves. We feel like we don't have enough time, feel like it costs too much money, and most times you don't have time, and most times you don't have the money, even with a $15 copay. Sometimes life is tough. That $15 could be one of my son's haircuts, and that's not including the tip. So I'd rather give $15 to the family, but if I'm not here, they're gonna have to find a lot more than $15. So get yourself checked out. That's in another video though. Number 2, which kind of coincides with number 1, family is healthy. By and large, my family as a whole are healthy. Got a little illness here, a little sickness here, but nothing major, nothing life-threatening. I'm thankful as a whole for everybody still being with us. There's some people that haven't made it to this year since last November. Prayers out to those family members who are missing people, and prayers out to those who are going through right now, just prior to the holiday season. Godspeed. Number 3, I am happy and thankful to be employed. I have been unemployed before, and when you're a person who loves to work and you believe it is kind of the fiber of life, work ethic, it's disappointing when you're not working. Yes, it may not be providing the amount of money that I would like, but guess what? If you need a job and a half, or you need 2 jobs to be where you want to be, and you don't have one, you don't have anything to build off of. So now you're back to square one, needing another job. So I'm thankful to have a firm, solid foundation and gainfully employed. Number 4, I'm happy not to only still be married, but to be happily married. That is a heck of a difference. Happily married versus just married. Just thankful. Some folks aren't happily married. some folks just aren't happy. But then that's a whole nother video too. I'm not going to talk about that, but I did a video on what is happiness. Check out my channel, which would be posted at the end or down in the description. Just thankful. We all have ups and downs. We all bump heads. We all have different visions sometimes for different things. But guess what? Still married and still happy. Queen of Trades, that's my girl. That's my best buddy right there. Outside of my doggy, of course. That's my boy. That's something else. But I'm thankful for him too. Last but not least, my children are growing up to be good boys. I'm so thankful for that, because they could be out in these streets peddling God knows what, hanging out with you know what. I'm just thankful that at this time they are doing what they're supposed to do, and I'm thankful for it, because it doesn't have to be so, you know. There's a lot of bad stories out there of kids who got into some business they didn't have to, and they're no longer here with us, or they're have been institutionalized, or maybe they lost their way and can't get back. None of that is true as of yet. I am not bragging, nor am I wishing it upon them, but I'm also a person who does not like to be haughty about things. I'm not looking to be abased. I am very knowledgeable of things can go wrong at any given point, so I don't brag about my marriage. I don't brag about my kids, because here today, gone tomorrow. So here we go with the recap. These are the things I'm thankful for. These are the things that's most precious to me. These are the things that keeps my world spinning. And that's being alive, my family being healthy, and that includes extended family, gainfully employed, still happily married, and my boys are growing up in the right direction, and I can see it.
I had some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.